Hi, it's February the 9th, and I've already done 5 paintings this month. 3 pleinaires. This was one that I did last week, and I actually worked on it a bit more at home. This is the finished look. And the tall ship that you saw, I've already done a video of it. I painted Fort St. Catherine from Barry Road, so I have a fence in the foreground and the fort in the background. I went to Achilles Bay after that, and they've had 3 steps that have needed repairing for about 3 years, and they're making it a very complicated job, and I'm a bit upset because they built a dock up Devonshire and this has been a problem for 3 or 4 years. I think it's kind of disgusting. The politicians don't seem to have respect for certain constituencies. We have well-liked, respectable politicians from certain constituencies and nothing gets done. That's not fair. I'm not talking about the politician in the district. I'm talking about the government and ministers who don't respect certain constituencies or the public enough to allow so many public beaches to be completely taken over by businesses. In Greece, they have an app called My Coast where you can report if you think a business is using up too much of the beach. Remember when you used to take your own towel to the beach? This is a painting that I've been doing over the last couple of days, and I think I might do some prints of this. This is how I actually started painting this painting, but certain subject matters are beautiful enough where you could probably make money selling prints to tourists. So I actually might do that. I think it's a more legitimate way of making money from tourism than just letting the whole beach be overtaken by chairs that are rented out. Well, let's talk about art. This is a painting that I'm working on. I'm not quite finished it yet, but because you don't see that much difference as I work on the small details at the end, I'm showing what I've done so far because it has quite a finished look already, but there are a few things that I would probably do. You can't take beauty for granted, though, so I'll let you enjoy me finishing this, but we have all sorts of concerns with our coast. Casuarina trees are a concern. Many of the beaches on the South Shore are just overtaken by casuarinas to the point where longtail nests are now lower down on the cliffs because the top of the cliffs are covered with the roots of the trees, and some cliffs are breaking because the roots are cracking into the rock and rocks are just falling down, and it could be dangerous if some of these boulders fell on somebody. Views are being lost too. You can't see the beach now. At Town Cut Channel, casuarinas are destroying the cliffs on side of the cut. Casuarinas are a concern in many national parks, including Spittle Pond, but some erosion there may not be from casuarinas, but this erosion should be noted. You could see big pieces of rock broken off, and you can see abrasions and bits of broken rock further inland, and where this rock is broken off, it's right underneath where there were longtail nests. I don't know who is responsible for certain things, but I do notice certain things when I'm out taking photos or painting pictures. I hope you enjoyed my art, and I hope you understand some of my concerns. Thanks for watching. Bye.